I'm not certain if my client is deployed. I'm not sure if he was able to appear for any of those settings due to military service, because once he's found to be the father, we cannot unring the bell.
Your Honor, the state and the SCRA attorney are not in agreement today. The state would like to go forward and set temporary support based on the fact that Mr. Portalatin has been scheduled for 3 DNA appointments and has not shown up to any of them. And I believe Ms. Farah is in opposition to him being named as a to establish the parent-child relationship before she's able to contact him.
All right, do we have the affidavit showing he failed to show up?
We do, Your Honor. I just was able to pull it out of our system. We've been having some issues with technical matters today, and I will make sure it gets emailed to the court right now.
All right, Ms. Farah.
Your Honor, my opposition to moving forward today is because I'm not certain if my client is deployed. I'm not sure if he was able to appear for any of those settings due to military service. I was appointed in this case because he is a service member. I have a phone number for him that we have been texting and calling. I have not been able to get a hold of him. And so my understanding is we reached out also to the custodial parent in this case. She was not able to provide us any further information. And so, Your Honor, I cannot say with certainty whether my client has been able to appear for any of those settings, or if he is off somewhere where he is not even aware of the proceedings. And so in light of that, I would be opposed to any finding of paternity in this case because there is no DNA test, no AOP, and therefore, unfortunately, there would be no ability to proceed with regard to support because I am opposed to a finding of paternity when I don't know if he is even able to show up for any of those appointments.
Just a second, let me look back on service on this first time.
Yes, sir.
All right, looks like he was served in Hinesville, Georgia, which is where Fort Stewart is. Have you contacted any persons or any official personnel at Fort Stewart to see whether or not we can locate this gentleman?
I have not, sir. We have, like I said, we've only been able to call and text. If the court would allow us one more extension, I will contact Fort Stewart, either myself or my paralegal, and see if we can track this gentleman down.
It's Ms. Farah, I'm going to give you 7 days. I want if he doesn't, this is only him. He got served. He didn't invoke service members. I'm just doing this because my presiding district judge told me never to default to service member without the opportunity, even when they don't invoke. So when the boss judge tells you to do something, you do something. But the bottom line is this has been going on for months. He hasn't done anything, and this child is obviously not being supported. And like I said, it wouldn't start to the first of September anyway. I'll go ahead and try to see whether or not I want to do this as a special, but I really don't. Mom has been coming back all these times, and this is obviously she's the one person that's still taking care of this child, so I'm real hesitant to not try to facilitate something here. Let's see what I got next week.
I understand, sir. I would just appreciate, even if it is 7 days, for us to reach out to Fort Stewart, to see if we can find him, because once he's found to be the father, we cannot unring the bell.
What do you got next Wednesday at 9 a.m.?
Yes, sir. Tuesday would be fine, sir.
All right, then. I've received the DDC confirmation of non-collection. So I'll just say that. Ms. Fulton, you there, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am, I understand your frustration with this, and I wouldn't be doing this unless my boss had told me that I need to do this way. So again, when your boss tells you to do something, you got to do it a certain way. But the bottom line is this gentleman's had every opportunity to take care of this, and he hasn't. So I'm going to give Ms. Farah the opportunity to actually try to contact the United States Army to see whether or not there's they can get hold of him and have him contact her. That's all she technically that's what she that's all you probably need to do is that I'm an attorney that's been appointed representing him under SCRA, and this is my number. He needs to contact me immediately. Otherwise, he's gonna get defaulted next week. So, at least on a temporary order. So anyway.
Sir, I'm with you because this has been dragged out long enough. It's like he not trying to.
Yes, ma'am, I know, and he's probably hiding behind. I've had so.
Yes, I mean, what type of he will be in court trying to justify and say that this is not his child. This is ongoing.
Yes, ma'am, I know. I've been doing this before. It's not my first rodeo, but I got to worry about federal statutes. But again, the state wants. I know I can go ahead and do it for temporary order, and Ms. Farah, it's a temporary order. I got anything can be undone at final. I can find he's not dead if the DNA comes back, so that'll work. But until then, yeah. But the bottom line is, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do it. I won't have a commanding general call up the presiding judge and bless him out about a default hearing again. So I'll go ahead and give the headline the opportunity to get it, and you'll be the first thing I do on the 9:30 docket that day, ma'am. Okay.
And what day will I be coming back, sir?
Next Tuesday, the 29th.
Okay.
The next to last girl's birthday. I got a lot of birthdays. Would have been my dad's 93rd birthday. He'll be alive, but got lots of birthdays this month. So, anyway.
Ms. Fulton, I'm sorry, Judge, Ms. Fulton, do you know at all what, anything about his MOS that might help us find?
No, ma'am, I don't have any of that information. I mean, like I said, I used to communicate with him on Facebook Messenger. I used to have a number for him. Now I don't have any type of number. It's really he just stopped all communications with me, so I don't have anything for him.
You know what he did? Do you know what he did for the Army, ma'am?
No.
Okay, so he's not a computer guy. He's a foot soldier or whatever. Okay, all right. Anyway, well, like I say, he was served in there, and like next week I'll at least make a temporary order and once that money starts coming out of his paycheck through DFAS, yeah, he's gonna call his lawyer then.
Yeah.
They always do then. So yeah. Especially when I hit him with a lump sum payment too. So all right, good enough, Ms. Farrah. Let's say I'll give you 7 days next Tuesday at 9:30. Let's get something going on this one, because again, I think he's really hiding behind the SCRA and it's not being forthright with us on this one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you, Ms. Fulton. Like I said, I'll take you up as soon. I got a 10:45 update hearing, and then you're the next one after that. All right.
Your Honor.
Try to get you out of here well before noon next week. Thank you, ma'am. Be safe out there, and happy my dad's birthday to you. Okay.
Thank you.